Since the mid-1990s, the city of Fayetteville has been composting yard waste at a facility located off Happy Hollow Road. By doing so, the city has been able to divert nearly 15% of its waste from landfills, but that number could be doubled by adding food waste to the mix. Not an easy job, says Marty Matlock, an ecological engineer and the director of sustainability at the University of Arkansas.
The problem with our food waste is it has lots of protein and lots of fat relative to what microbes want in order to make soil.
Matlock says the solution is to mix the food with about 3 times as much yard waste, which contains a large amount of cellulose, a molecule that helps with the composting process.
Think leaves and grass trimmings. Those are perfect. You mix that with food waste, and you can create an incredibly rapid digestion process where microbes convert that to compost.
Microscopic problems aren't the only ones associated with composting food waste. Fayetteville's Waste Reduction Coordinator Brian Pugh explains why the location of the facility makes odor one of the main concerns for incorporating food waste into the program.
And right here, we're pretty close to some residential areas, just to the north of us here and kind of to the west of us here. So our main concern with organics and food waste has always been odor.
Places such as Charleston County, South Carolina use special methods to eliminate the odor problem. Fayetteville's Director of Sustainability, Peter Nierengarten, visited the composting facility there to smell the site for himself.
Essentially smelled kind of earthy, but certainly nothing offensive.
Pugh explains how specially developed enzymes placed in the pile help with the smell.
These enzymes move through the pile, and as they do that, they basically form a shield. That shield encapsulates odor.
Back at the composting facility, Pugh examines the final product.
And now look at this stuff. That is good compost.
The same quality compost is expected from the new method. Pugh says that during the early stages of the program, the city would like to receive 10 tons of food waste per week from sources such as the University of Arkansas and local restaurants, and that the ultimate goal is to compost the city's more than 7,000 pounds of yearly food waste. From the UA Lemke Newsroom, I'm Richard Pellegrino.